how to see comments and replies on Thread. So if you use Thread on your Android or on your iPhone, and you're just scrolling through the Thread page, and now you found out that a particular thread has comments, and you're trying to read the comment but don't know how to go about it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to see comments and replies on Thread, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Thread app on your phone. This could be Android and it could be on iPhone. Then locate the post that has the reply. Here you can see this post has 11 replies. Then go ahead and click on outside the post or on the post itself. Once you click on outside like this, it's going to show the post, or click on the post content itself. You see that? So once you click on either outside the post or the post content, then hang on, then you should see the thread comments pops. Now, to see replies on each of these comments, what you need to do is just repeat the same tactics. Locate the comments where you have replies, then click on it. So this will only open the comments, and then to open the reply completely. See that? Then if you come down here again, if you had more replies, just go ahead and click on show replies. Hang on while the reply pops. So repeat this on all the thread posts, post reply or comments you want to see. Just like this, click on the thread content and then hang on while the reply opens. So if you have comments under the reply, then just go ahead and click on the comment itself to open the reply. So that is basically how you can easily see comments and replies on Thread. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.